Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Culinary Arts of Ashmont. Today we are making ultimate chocolate chip cookies. To begin, measure 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Scoop and pack down 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Pack down butter or margarine into a 1 cup dry measuring cup. Spoon in and level off 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, you will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then level 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, measure 1 package of semisweet chocolate chips or 1 cup. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Add both sugars, your margarine or butter, and vanilla to a large mixing bowl. You can use an electric mixer for this one. Just be sure that you put your beaters in the correct spots. Mix until your margarine and sugar has a creamy consistency. Mix in 1 large egg. Always wash your hands after handling raw egg to prevent cross-contamination. Stir in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Your dough will become quite stiff, so I recommend switching away from the electric mixer at this point. When the dry ingredients are mostly combined, you can add the chocolate chips. You can use an ungreased cookie sheet or some parchment paper on top of a baking sheet. Drop the dough using a rounded tablespoon about 2 inches apart onto an ungreased cookie sheet or parchment paper lined sheet. It is important to make sure that your cookies are spaced out so that they don't all clump together. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until they are light brown with the center still soft. Cool slightly before eating. Thanks for watching this week's episode of the Culinary Arts of Ashmont.